series of powers or exponents, take your pick, whatever you want to call it.
Like when you say that, it is like negative 30.
Yeah.
And the first time I ever did that, I was negative 10.
Basically, this is, you know how to simplify algebraic equations. This is very similar to that. So we're simplifying algebra. Okay. But it boils down to add, subtract, multiply, divide. We will be doing operations on stuff like this. Does anybody remember how to simplify that? Ants? Just throw me some ideas. How do I
Like 10.
Yeah, are those like 10?
No.
They're not.
Would you multiply it up?
Okay.
Add that or
There you go. So, the things you have to notice. We have the same base, right? So that's it. That's a requirement. And all of this that we're doing today is a requirement. It has to have the same base. In our case, that's X. So if you're multiplying, and I'm trying to give you the pattern here, kind of a general concept pattern. If you're multiplying two of these, you add the exponents if they have the same base. Gosh. Okay. Are the bases the same? Yes, they are Y, right? Now, how do I deal with that? Multiply means add. Divide means subtract. See the pattern? So subtracting means, or dividing means subtract the exponents. Okay? Hard to write when that's covered. What about exponent to an exponent?
Then you would divide.
That's this one. Okay, so if I'm multiplying, you multiply add. These are exponent. What's the next step down from the exponent? Yes? We already added. Multiply. Multiply. There you go. So, what you're seeing here is kind of what I would call the levels of arithmetic. So the most basic arithmetic is adding and subtracting, right? And we have multiplying and dividing, and we have exponents and roots. Right? So kind of what I want you to see here, we're multiplying these, means add the exponents. go one step down, right? Here I have an exponent. What's one step down by multiplying? This is how I think of it. So remember in general. So if I'm multiplying here, I need to add the exponent. That's one step lower on the arithmetic scale. Okay, so if that helps you, you can use it. Otherwise, you just memorize these. Okay. What does a negative exponent? Anybody remember? What does a negative exponent mean? No. You got, that's the next one though. Keep that in mind. Anybody? If you want to steal the chips and candy and eat them myself, pay attention. You guys know, hey. Put it in a fraction. Negative exponent means put it under.
Oh, is that because it's multiplying?
No, that's the rule. That also holds. So if the negative one is in the denominator, again, basically what you're saying is a reciprocal. Okay, a negative exponent means either put it down or put it up. Right? So, so negative exponent, put it down or put it up. Brandon, what is k to the 0?
K to the 0 is K.
As I said, keep that answer in mind.
Oh,
What maybe? Anything with 0 power is 1. Okay? What? Okay, let's start combining some rates. Simplify. It's just step by step. Let's stop it.
So you depend on so if you add, right?
Add the exponents. What's that?
Great. We got all questions. And then when you're dividing, you would multiply.
Thank you, Dave.
And then you are.
Next.
There, we just did it. X12.
Step by step by step. I don't care how long you're working.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, very good. Just go step by step, okay?
Yeah, so it's going to be a different color. Oh, is it going to be a different color? Thanks. Okay.
So what if I have that one? Okay, multiply, right? And what does this mean? Put underneath, right? So I have 2 times 4 is the end of the 8, and then the negative exponent means drop it down. Now subtract. I can just go along to the right. But it does need to stay in the bottom. Okay. Those are similar bases? No, we're done. That's as far as you can go. Okay, let's do. Yeah. I don't want to. How did I get this one? 4:30. Yes, it is. You have a question that I care about, you guys? Punch you in the face. Just to show I care about you. They do it. When you go to bed, usually around that. Oh, yeah, let's finish here. I didn't say that. You're finished. Flashes. Pay attention, please. Please get. Now I have two variables. Can I combine x's and y's? No, I can't. So I need to leave them separate. That's a straight line. The bottom's kind of ugly, right? But this one is actually kind of nice because I have 2 multiplied here. So what do I do with the exponents? So -1 plus 1 is 0. So the x's on the bottom actually disappear. Okay.
So you get 2 times 4 what? That's 8y.
And so these two cancel each other out. So on the bottom now, yeah. Y, correct? How do I take out? We have 2 y's left. Subtract 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3x is 5th, y is 3rd, and 18. As far as I can go? So an x and a y. That's it. Okay? Okay. You just step by step on these, follow the rules. Do you need another one? I think that's right. One more. Whoa, you go back. You shut up. No, I'm just, otherwise. Now you changed it to. Here. 4 minus 1. So that eliminated the bottom. Okay. Here is a fail.
If you did it, I did it for I wasn't interested. I see it, so it's all of you know, oh. It doesn't take.
Last one if you pay attention. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep talking. Step by step. Do the top first. 2 times 4 times 3. 24. Okay, and then x cubed, x to the first and x to the first. Only x's are there.
Approximately 5.
5. 3 plus 1 plus 1. How many y's? 4. Okay. And then this one is from copy. 24 divided by 3. See, now I'm doing all the division. It's x to the 5th and x to the -3rd.
you get negative 2.
No.
You subtract what they is.
Yeah, you do. So what's 5 minus negative 3? 8. It's a negative. 5 minus negative 3. And then 4 minus 2. Are we done? What's the next step then? You just said that?
I know it's more than has to be done, but I don't know what.
Anybody?
If you find it,
We have an x and a y and a number. We're done. As long as there's, see up here, there were multiple x's left. We have to keep going. We want to get to this point where there's only one of each variable. Okay?
I got this.
Prove it.
I will. I'm gonna do it. So I have to.
In your book, here's your spiral. Now they give you a practice sheet of the odds. In section 5.1, that's all I can tell you at this point. Give it a shot. I don't have today's number. Check it with you. Remember, we've got 30 minutes. You can't finish this whole assignment before class is over.
Every single one on the second. Look at file. And that's what I really I feel like together really well. Did you see that?